So yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Sony 24-70 Mark II G-Master lens and I'm going to take a few shots. I'm in Battersea Park, as you can see. Albert Bridge is there looking stunning, so I'm just going to get a few shots. The sun has literally just gone down, so I'm hoping to get blue hour, a nice few blue hour shots. I don't want it too dark. I'm going to do a video on this lens, night photography, soon. But I'm in Battersea Park. We'll try and get a bit of autumn vibe. And first get that bridge maybe, and then have a bit of fun with these leaves on the bench, see what shots we can get. Alright, let's go. Guys, that right there, in fact I'm going to go to the edge. Let's get that shot there of the bridge. And I'll put that on screen now. One shot I want to get is of this leaf just on the bench, just like that. Hope you guys can see. So I'm taking the shot like that, guys. And I'll put the best one on screen now. I'm quite liking that. I'm going to try another one like that, but on this bench here. And I'll put that on screen now. Sorry, I'm just recording at the moment. Yeah. Can I take I'm making a YouTube video on this lens. Okay. Would it be cool if I took like 2 shots of you to go on a YouTube video? I'll send you the pictures as well. Yeah. Just literally act natural. Do what you're doing.
Like right now?
Yeah. Is that cool? I'm literally just testing out this lens and stuff like that. Thanks. What's your name?
Verna.
Sorry?
Verna.
Verna. I'm Michael. Nice to meet you too. So what I'll do is I'll just take a few and I'll send all of them to you if you like them and everything. Yeah, let's take a few more. Could you look at the camera for a second? Yeah. I'll just get a little bit closer. Yeah. Look at the camera. Thank you so much. Perfect, thanks. I'll show them to you. So there's a couple blurry ones in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry, it's just loading up.
No, it's alright.
Alright, so yeah.
That's nice.
Do you have you on Instagram? I can send them or email.
Yeah.
So guys, the moon is actually mooning. So what I'm going to get a shot from here. Just get my settings right. And I'll put the best one on screen now. Let's take one more shot of the bridge from here. We'll walk a little bit further down. Let's see if we can catch some autumn colours before the sun goes out. So guys, I'm just going to get a shot here. Turn the timer off. Change those settings. And what I'll do is I'll put the best one on screen now. Guys, as I'm walking back to my car, I'm loving this post box. It's just London all over. Autumn, all in one. Sorry, guys. So that literally sums up London. So guys, we've got this post box there, autumn leaves on the floor. I'm gonna try and capture that all at once. What I'll do, I'll put the best one on screen now. So yes guys, thanks for tuning in. I really do like the lens, guys. I did find myself changing my settings more. I don't know if that's because I'm used to having a tripod and stuff like that, but I found myself changing my settings more than I usually did. But overall, the versatility of the lens was fantastic. A couple of people let me take their pictures, so I'll put them in the video too. And it would look good for great for portraits and headshots. I'm going to do a video specifically on night photography with this lens too, so check that out guys. But if you did enjoy that, please like, please share, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.